Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, Mary on Pluto. And today we have another challenge video for y'all. Okay, so today we're doing Who Eats the Fastest challenge.
Because she eats slow. I keep telling y'all she's a slow eater. She keeps saying she's not, so I'm about to prove it.
I'm not a slow eater. I've been waiting not to eat so I can do this challenge. And for all y'all who doubted me out there thinking I'm a slow eater, I'm gonna prove to y'all today.
Hey, that's a lot of chicken on that plate. I don't even think she can finish it, but
I definitely can. And I'm hungry too, so I'm gonna show you. So we basically gonna see, yes, who can eat the chicken the fastest. This is our chicken. Show our plates.
You sure you want to go it for?
Show our plates.
That's all. I'm about to.
And we're eating Popeyes chicken. And we got spicy chicken too. So I don't really eat spicy chicken like that, but I'm gonna eat it today. So I'm ready. You ready?
Let's go.
All right.
I need some of that hot sauce first. You can't eat the chicken without hot sauce.
You could have already. Oh, you trying to prepare your chicken already?
Oh, it don't matter. What you trying to do?
It doesn't matter. Do how you want to do it.
Don't worry about it.
All right.
Eat slow anyway. Come on.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for the little ones first. Ready? I can take my time. She's slow.
On you, mark. Get set. Go.
You eat slow. Wow, I forgot the hot sauce. I'm gonna hit that one. Let me hit some of you. You think you're doing something? Come on. One bite. Whoa. Almost. That's good. Don't shoot.
Let's go.
Your chicken looks small. You want some? Yeah. You cheating.
Let's go.
I don't know.
Last one.
Probably got all the big pieces. I doubted her. She competing. Slow up. I need something to drink.
Oh, this is a good chicken for him.
Well, I'm about full. You got too much meat on yours.
No, not.
Hold on. I'm full. You full?
Nope.
Give me some.
You should have had that one, but. Let's go.
It's still lame.
We are competitors.
She got a lot of meat on her plate.
No, I don't. Ain't no meat on here. This number skin. Honey. Number skin. Last little piece of meat I got last week.
Oh, she been cheating.
Well, I haven't.
Eat that skin.
I didn't.
She ain't need to eat the skin. She always cheat. I knew she wasn't doing that well for nothing. She a cheater. That's crazy.
I need one little step. Watch it down. Let's go.
She cheating, y'all.
I'm here. Let's go.
She cheating.
Go.
Boy, this is way more chicken than I thought. No, give me this. Oh, I ain't playing. She ain't eating the skin. That means she's cheating.
I'm not cheating. I won competition, remember? What did you know? You got good hot sauce.
I won.
No, you didn't. You got swallowed. No, still chicken on the plate. Still chicken on the plate.
Where?
You ain't win.
Where?
I'm looking at it. Right now.
Right where?
You see it.
So all that skin, she only eating the meat. Let me come in there.
No beef on him. This is all skin. Nope.
I'm down.
Me too.
But I won.
We still have chicken.
I definitely won.
I don't have no chicken.
Yeah, I won. She trying to cheat me,
I did have some.
but I won. Ain't nothing.
But he thought I was. I've been pretty good actually. I tell my proposal,
I'll eat the skin now.
and I went for it because
She did alright.
I did good. Yeah, stop playing.
Maybe she can only eat fast in a race, but other than that, she never eat.
No,
that
I
fast
like to
again.
enjoy my food. When you love this food as much as me, you would like to enjoy your food.
Nah, she's just a slow eater. I won.
Look at
So-
my plate. Ain't nothing but bones and
Tell them why
skin.
we was competing. Tell them what happened to the loser. Cause you lost.
Okay, so we didn't tell y'all, but the loser gets sprayed with the water hose for 30 seconds.
For how long now?
30 seconds.
So that means
30.
Hey, I won, man.
Second.
Team Pluto.
It's okay.
I can't believe it was that close, though. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
I doubt her. Y'all, I ain't even gonna say that part yet. Wait till we get this. Wait till she get hit with this water hose. Then we're gonna see about you. Catch us outside.
Ooh, I'm full now, y'all. Wait a minute. Wait.
What we waiting for?
No, you didn't even start.
It's punishment time. No.
You didn't start.
It started.
No, you too close. You too close.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Vine, you too close.
No,
We ain't
I'm
even
not.
started yet.
You trying to run from this?
Oh my.
Get back. Where you going? Where you going? You shouldn't have ran. Stop running. Come on now. No. I owe you some more. Get back over here.
Wait.
What's wrong?
You wet my bunny.
I did. It's alright. Stop running. I don't even know what time we on because you want to run.
Stop!
Now you got to change smart. He getting it too. Change him.
No, I just put that on you.
He'll be alright.